up guys, it's Wubny here, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys a BOLO item. It's a PS4 console. So where I find these at, I typically find these on Facebook, OfferUp, Craigslist, any kind of local marketplace. You may be lucky enough to find them at a thrift store or something, but by the time someone gives them to a thrift store, they're sold. If I pick these up working, I pay no more than $120 because I can basically sell them anywhere from $160 to $220 depending on the hard drive size, the condition, the edition, whether it's a Black Ops 3 limited edition or just a normal PS4, it really depends. Broken, I try not to pay more than $80 for because by the time I fix it and flip it, I still get about $180, so $100 profit from my time and my actual work listing it. That's where I pay for it. If you think you can pay $100 or more, flip it for $180, you do you. But that's what I do personally when it comes to where I find it and how much I pay for them. Next thing you need to know is the hard drive size matters. So the difference between a 500 gigabyte PS4 is about $150 for console plus cords. And then a 2 terabyte model you can probably get upwards to about $200 for. So that's about a $60 difference from just a hard drive size. And if you plan on flipping consoles full time, I recommend buying maybe 10, 15, 2 terabyte hard drives in bulk. You're gonna get them at a discounted price if you buy them in bulk. Make sure they are compatible with the PS4, and then you just swap out the hard drives. And then you can sell the 500 gigabyte individual for $15, $20. It's that simple. It's all about maximizing profits and maximizing what you do with your time and your investments. Lastly, the main thing you wanna make sure is you test these in depth. So when it comes to these, a lot of things could be wrong. Disk drive might not work, the software might be messed up, you're going to have to reinstall the software. The ports could be messed up, it might not power on, it might power on and turn off, could be a fan. There's plenty of things that could be wrong with it. So I recommend when it comes to testing any console, whether it's a PS4, PS2, Xbox 360, you need to make sure you test them in depth. I recommend playing a game on it, 15-20 minutes, making sure everything works, the disk drive, testing the USB ports, the power port, the HDMI, everything. Test everything you can before you throw it on eBay and list it, because if you have an issue with it, not only do you have to refund the $200, $160, you also have to refund the $20 shipping. So you're out $20 there, $20 back, that's $40 you're out, plus you got to refund it, and then if you sell it again, you're still out money. The fees don't get refunded, so you're out a lot of money, so you want to make sure you test it in depth so you don't have any future issues. And y'all are going to see me in this for about the next probably 5 or 6 videos, because I'm going to be recording a bunch of videos on my unit tonight. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and keep flipping.
They all trying to be around, now I'm winning. I make it hits, but I'm still independent. Lil' homie, I've been low-key chillin'. Tell your mom when I'm back, I'll be in it. I got a baddie in the West End, brought a best friend, got a bag on my left wrist. Fucking next bitch, had to go. Pull up in a new wig, got them clueless on my new shit. I'ma have to move on the low. Yeah, I know that they be fucking with the flow.